HyperAutomation free April UiPath training. So this is the link which will help you to register. Once you register, you'll be getting emails for joining the particular training and all. So training commences from April 4th, 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. So on daily basis, the next 15 days. So how to register here? So once you launch this particular link, you just need to click on login to register, where it asks for some sort of details. So you can just go with continue with Google, or you can just provide any of your details. So I'm trying to continue with my details. Right. So you can just register here. So once you just provide your details, where it will ask you for your first name, last name, and all. So I can just provide any of the details. Okay. So please make sure that you're providing your first name, your last name, proper email ID, so that you will get your links for joining the particular meetings. If you're working, you can just provide your company name. If not, you can just leave it. Or you can just fill it with any of your college name and all of your students and all. So your role or student. So if you're locating and mandatory, please provide your mobile number for updates on things. And please make sure that you are trying to tick mark these two check boxes. Okay, and you just need to click on submit. Right. So it says that like RSVP confirmed, and you will be getting a mail to register particular mail. So let me just open the particular mail. Let me just open the mail. So if I just open the mail here, right. So this is where you will get the virtual event URL, where it will help you to just join the particular things. So whenever you want to just join the particular event, you just need to click on the URL in the mail which you have registered, and you can just click here with the join event, which will navigate to the link or the meeting invite. Okay, so this is how you just need to register. So if you have any queries and all, please reach out to us. We'll help you out on registering and joining. Meet you there on April 4th. Happy automation. Thank you.